In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete recently deleted password on iPhone on iOS 18. So when you delete a saved password on your iPhone, the password will be kept in the recycle bin or recently deleted folder on your iPhone that you need to permanently delete this yourself or wait for another 30 days for this password to be deleted. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now to delete recently deleted password on your iPhone on iOS 18, all you need to do is go to the password application, just like it is, unlock with your Face ID. Now under password, you should see deleted, click on that. And here you have access to all your recently deleted password on your iPhone. To delete all deleted password permanently, all you need to do is click on the password, then tap delete. However, if you have multiple passwords available here, you just need to press and hold like this. Then you'll be prompted to select. Once selected, you can just select all the password you have here. Now to delete this recently deleted password, you can either press and hold as well, tap delete, then delete password from the pop-up, or click on the password like this and tap delete. So this is going to delete the password permanently on your iPhone. So you can't undo this action. Go ahead and tap delete password. There you go. Then the password will be deleted permanently on your iPhone. So this is how you can easily delete recently deleted password on iPhone on iOS 18. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.